Did you know that in a medical malpractice case in New York, the jury is told during the course of the jury trial they are not to use sympathy to make a decision to decide whether or not you have proven your case? Would you like to learn why not? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm shooting video in Miami Beach. I happen to have a few minutes spare time to give you this quick information. I'm at a National Trial Lawyers Summit convention, and I wanted to tell you why the jury is not permitted to use sympathy to decide in your favor or not. Because it's very easy to generate sympathy. You have the injured victim come into court. If they're on crutches, you're going to generate sympathy. If it's a young child, you're going to generate sympathy. And in fact, really good defense trial attorneys are going to turn around to the jury and say, ladies and gentlemen, there is no doubt that this is a sympathetic case. There's no doubt that this person was significantly injured, but we didn't cause this injury. So you are not to consider sympathy when deciding on whether or not they have proven your case. And that is absolutely true. So, can we use sympathy in order to get a jury to reach a decision in your favor? The answer is absolutely not. However, by showing the jury, by coming into court, by showing them photographs or images of the problems or damages that you have, now they gather an insight and an understanding, together with you testifying or a family member testifying about the problems that you have now as a result of those injuries, and gives them a clear understanding of what it is that you go through on a daily basis. So, anybody who tells you that you can use sympathy in order to prove your case, to get a verdict in your favor, is 100% wrong. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process involving a medical malpractice case here in the state of New York. It's actually not in New York, I'm actually in Miami Beach today, but this is what goes on in New York. So, chances are you have questions or concerns about your own particular medical malpractice matter. And if you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is what I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Jerry Oginski, coming to you from Miami Beach, Florida. Have a wonderful day.